Come test drive the 2025 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires, front all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.